everyone. We've just in Buriram. We're just in Buriram. We found something interesting to show you guys. Let me introduce you to the 7-Eleven. 7-Eleven vending machine. Yeah. So we just drove past this. I was like, yeah, we need to check this out. So you can get like snacks, crisps, nuts, those little sandwiches, bakery things, Pringles, baked Pringles, drinks, Nescafe, and Heineken 0%. There's no like alcoholic beer in here that I can see. Probably similar because like the petrol station ones don't sell it, do they? And then they've got these hot meals as well, so you can open them out and put them in the microwave here. This microwave's like nicely locked in. We should try that out. Can I get something? I want something to try in the microwave. So how do you do it? You select the product and then you pay. So you just activate it, get rid of the advert. What do you want? I want Ovaltine malt. Lactose soy. Should be somewhere here. Tell me when you see it. The hell? Maybe maybe this is only for that machine. I thought it might be clever and have them both. So how do you pay? Can you pay with cash? Can you add more? Is the button to say? Is that to add more? I want to try something in the microwave. So.
Yeah, I have 10 baht. You go. I have 10 baht.
Yeah, what should we try in the microwave? What they got there? Should we just get some sausages? Over they are. Yeah. 42 baht for some sausages. Right, let's see. Where does the money go? Is it gonna give him?
Wow.
The door open. Oh shit, it's bringing a tray. And then, yeah, there they go. And it says, pull up. I have to do this with one hand, guys. Oh, we're gonna have to check the sausages.
They give me more money.
And the change comes out. That's pretty good. Right. Are you gonna open it a bit?
Open a little bit.
Put a little crack in there. And put them in the microwave. That's it. That's good, that's good. As long as there's a little gap. It'll sort itself out. Right, what number are these? So 5. Oh, you don't have to press start, it just starts itself. Program 5, I don't really know what the program is for those. Anyway, Alm's getting a drink from this one. Right, yeah, can you pay? Or do you want some more? I think you only order one thing at a time. That's where the coins go. This what happens is this drawer opens. Woo. And then the goes to where you want, gets the thing. Does it bring it over to the middle? No, you're gonna have to reach all the way over there for that. Pull it up. All the way over there, yeah. These are nearly done. Oh shit. I think I put them on too high. They've all exploded. But that's okay. At least we know they're ready. Get one of these forks. Did they give all the like condiment things?
Put only 3, I think.
Yeah, I didn't really check. I just thought that'll do.
Hot.
5. Stick that in there.
5.
Anyway, guys, that's the 7-Eleven vending machines. We found these. We come across these in Buriram, just on like a really like unassuming sort of back street. I was driving past last night and I saw her. I was like, on the way back to the hotel, I was like, yo, we need to make a little video on those. That'd be interesting. So yeah, there you go. Little serve yourself 7-Eleven. We're in Buriram. Thanks for watching, guys. Hit the like, comment, subscribe. We'll see you in the next one.